Hey guys, what's happening? How to add view product on an Instagram post. So first of all, go ahead and click your profile at the bottom right, and then click edit profile and make sure to switch your account from a personal account to the professional account. You can see right here, personal information settings. And instead, you're gonna be able to see switch to professional account, switch to and go through the process of switching your account to the personal account. And basically what you're gonna do now, you're gonna just go ahead and add a post. Let's have an example. Uh, this post, right? I'm gonna hit next and then hit next. You're gonna be able to add the product details, right? The name and everything, right? And basically you could go and click more options and see if you want to add a partnership label or ads. You can just go ahead and do that, and basically you're gonna be able to add a known enterprise or uh, a sponsor who takes care of that product, right? And they're gonna be able to go to their account and they're gonna be able to click the link that will take them to that product, right? As for now, in some regions, you're gonna be able to see the feature of get orders where you can independently add the information, right, about the product and everything. But for some regions, like for example mine, I won't be able to add the product details or get orders option, right? So I can receive it independently. So basically that's it. Let us know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next time.